How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 1. Yeah.
How many altogether?
1, 2.
Can you go squish them? Step on them. Step on the bubbles. Go squish them. Squish them with your feet. You want more bubbles? Bubbles. Big bubbles.
Mine.
It's mine, Kama. Be careful, don't step on it. No stepping. Bubbles. Go play. Oh, be careful. Go play with the bubbles over there.
All the only thing was just 2 sides. Would have,
Bubbles.
I just have to buy the rates.
Andrushka, look. Big bubbles. Go catch the bubbles. Who's gonna catch a bubble and can you catch a bubble and bring it to me? Get one and bring it to me. Give me a bubble. Did you bring me one? Just one? Give me one. Give me a bubble. You got one? Let's see. Oh, where is it? Where's the bubble? Go bring me another one. Where is it? Bring me a bubble. Oh, what? You want me to blow more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bubble.
Bubble. Andrushka, look at come see bubbles.
Bubble.
Come look at all the bubbles. Andre, come.